Today, we're taking a deep dive into R+Co Bleu Ingenious Thickening Shampoo. This product has gained a lot of attention recently, and I'm here to give you my honest feedback based on my experience. First impressions of the packaging. It's sleek, modern, and looks like it belongs in a high-end salon. The bottle is easy to handle and has a clean design. The texture of the shampoo is thick, but not too heavy, making it easy to lather up. I applied it to my damp hair, and it lathered beautifully, providing a rich and luxurious feel. It has a very fresh, light scent that lingers, but doesn't overwhelm you, which is a nice touch for those who prefer subtle fragrances. In terms of performance, I noticed an immediate difference. My hair felt fuller and more voluminous after just one wash. The shampoo claims to thicken the hair, and it did seem to add some noticeable volume, which was a pleasant surprise. However, I did not feel it added the same level of thickness that I expected from a product marketed for this purpose. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. As for the long-term results, I've been using R+Co Bleu Ingenious Thickening Shampoo for a couple of weeks, and my hair has felt consistently fuller and softer. It's not a drastic transformation, but there's a noticeable improvement in the texture and overall health of my hair. I would recommend this shampoo for those who are looking for a lighter, more natural way to add volume. However, it's important to note that this product is on the more expensive side compared to other thickening shampoos on the market. If you're on a budget, it might not be the most economical choice, but if you're looking to splurge a little, R+Co Bleu Ingenious Thickening Shampoo could be a worthwhile addition to your routine. I did appreciate that it didn't weigh my hair down or leave any residue, which is a common issue I've had with other thickening shampoos. Overall, I'm happy with the results, but the price may be a sticking point for some. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews like this one.